Okay, short and sweet today. Kind of in a shitty mood. Basically, after much fighting with a bunch of dumb shit, we have a style chooser. Quick rundown. The way that everything works. Pay attention. Okay, so you've got your QML directory. Inside of that directory, you have a components directory, which is basically for all components for that particular for that particular build, be it Harmattan, desktop, whatever. Then you have the screens. These are the default screens. If you want to make your own screens, you would put them in the corresponding folder here. We'll go into this more in detail, but basically, all the skin requires is a main and a style, and then everything else can be used generally, and then it's styled between those two objects. If you want to create something custom, then you're not going to mess with our default screens. You're just going to include it in your directory, and then as you go through, you'll see which directory to include. This one imports components and whatever. This one imports the components, JavaScript, some other stuff. Anyways, moral of the story is it's very, very abstracted. I could sit here and explain it all day, but you really just need to get in there and take a look. It'll become apparent if you spend, some time actually looking at it. Okay, now for the actual main show. Okay, so here we have my representation of the Pluto Classic skin. Yeah, it doesn't look exactly like it, but, whatever. Anyways, so as you can see, it's mostly blue, some aqua, kind of light looking, bada bing. Anyways, so gonna hit advanced, change styles. You'll notice I have multiple styles. This is the one we're on right now, Pluto Classic, and then it basically has a little description, which is actually included in the style file. It parses that stuff out, created by, what variation it's for. This is particular for desktop. And then we have another one, Noir, dark skin with glossy highlights, blah 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 blah. So we click that. Oh, what's that? Our entire style has changed down to, well, basically almost everything that I was smart enough to make sure that I styled. As you can see, the backgrounds in some contexts have changed. Places where you don't see it basically means places that I didn't get off my ass and make sure that I styled stuff properly. But as you can see, this is kind of a work in progress. We're still moving along, so but that's basically it. Alright, bitches, till later.